Good morning, girls. Welcome to the another subtopic of acid, bases, and salts. So today we will start up with the salts. What are salts? A salt is a compound formed from an acid by the replacement of hydrogen in the acid by a metal. For example, HCl. Look at this, HCl. If we will replace the hydrogen H of this acid by a metal, say for example a sodium. Sodium, symbolic representation of sodium is Na. Then we will get sodium chloride like this, NaCl. Okay, so this is sodium chloride, which is again a salt. The best known salt is sodium chloride, which is usually known as common salt. Now the question is, how are these salts formed? ये salts बनते कैसे हैं? Salts are formed when acid reacts with a base. That means हम कह सकते हैं कि salts के दो parents होते हैं. One is acid and the another one is base. So the name of the salt consists of two parts. The first part of the name of the salt that is derived from the name of the base, and the second part is derived from the name of an acid. Okay, for example, the name of the salt called sodium chloride comes from sodium hydroxide as a base and hydrochloric acid as an acid. The salts of hydrochloric acid are called as chlorides. The salts of sulfuric acid are called as sulfates. Similarly, the salts of nitric acid are called as nitrates. Carbonic acid salts are called as carbonates. And last but not the least, the salts of acetic acid are called as acetates. Now coming to the properties of the salts. Salts are solid in nature. They have high melting as well as high boiling point. They are soluble in water and are ionic compounds. Because every salt consists of a positively charged ion, जिसको हम cation बोलते हैं, and negatively charged ion, जिन्हें हम anion बोलते हैं. For example, take the example of sodium chloride. It consists of positively charged ion, Na plus, and negatively charged ion, Cl negative. Now coming to the family of the salt. The salts having same positive ion, not only positive ion, or we can take a same negative ions, are said to belong to the family of salt. For example, sodium chloride, NaCl, and sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. These both belong to the same family of the salt called as sodium salts. Now, what is the pH of salt solution? First of all, a salt is formed by the reaction between an acid and a base. So we can expect that a solution of salt in water will be neutral towards the litmus. Though the aqueous solution of many salts are neutral, that is 7. But some salts are acidic, some are basic in nature. For example, take the example of sodium chloride. Its pH value is 7. That means we can say that it is neutral in nature. Ammonium chloride solution, its pH value is 6, so we can say it's acidic in nature. And last, sodium carbonate solution, its pH value is 9, so we can say it's alkaline or basic in nature.